In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Big Cartel online. Starting your online shopping adventure could sometimes feel a bit daunting, especially if you're new to the platform. So I'm here to guide you through the whole process of making a purchase on Big Cartel, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience. First off, let's kick things off by visiting the Big Cartel website. Big Cartel is known for being a straightforward platform that caters especially to artists and small businesses, offering them a space to sell their unique and often handcrafted items. When you arrive at the Big Cartel homepage, you'll notice the welcoming, user-friendly interface designed to make your shopping experience as pleasant as possible. To get started, you will need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's easy to sign up and join the Big Cartel community. On the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will redirect you to the login page, where you will be asked to enter your shop URL. This is your personalized space within the Big Cartel universe. Think of it as your gateway to exploring all that the platform has to offer. After you've entered your shop URL, the next step is to input your password. Make sure you remember it, or better yet, use a password manager. Security is key when shopping online, and a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access to your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive in. Your dashboard is where everything happens. This is the control center for your Big Cartel shopping experience. To get a feel for what your shopping experience would look like to your customers, or to simply browse through the myriad of products available, click on Preview Your Shop. This option will give you a real-time view of how your shop looks to the outside world, showcasing the products just as a customer would see them. Now for the exciting part, selecting a product. Take your time to browse through the multitude of items available on Big Cartel. There's something for everyone, whether you're looking for handmade jewelry, unique art prints, or anything in between. Once you've found something that catches your eye, it's time to take the leap. Click on the product to view more details. This page will provide you with all the information you need about the product, including its price, description, and any additional photos that can help you make your decision. Decided on what you want? Great. The next step is to add it to your cart. Look for the Add to Cart button. This action places the item in your virtual shopping cart, a step closer to making it your own. You can continue shopping if you'd like to add more items or proceed to checkout if you're ready to complete your purchase. When ready to checkout, navigate to your cart. Here you'll find a summary of the items you're about to purchase. Double check to make sure everything is correct. If all looks good, click on Checkout. This step will take you through the process of entering your shipping and payment information. It's straightforward and secure, ensuring your details are kept safe throughout the transaction. And just like that, you've completed a purchase on Big Cartel. It's a simple process, but one that opens up a world of possibilities. Big Cartel is a treasure trove of unique artist-made goods waiting to be discovered. By following these steps, you're not only acquiring something special for yourself or a loved one, but you're also supporting small businesses and creators who pour their hearts into their work. Remember, shopping online should be fun and rewarding. So take your time, explore, and don't hesitate to reach out to sellers if you have questions about their products. Happy shopping, and stay tuned for more handy guides on making the most of your online shopping experiences.